How to create super high engagement mobile apps. Hi, I'm Ronak Shah and I'm the founder and CEO of Nordstone. We specialize in creating super high engagement mobile apps for businesses and really high retention. How to create a super high engagement mobile app is the answer lies in data. And data is a 5-step process. So for example, you're running an e-commerce business and you built a mobile app to drive up LTV in your business. So step one is knowing what data to collect. This is, for example, on your e-commerce business, number of signups to your mobile app, number of completed registrations, number of people who are using the app on a daily basis, cross-verifying with Shopify database that you have. If you're delivering content in your mobile app, what's the best performing content, knowing to prioritize that, deprioritize low performing content. Knowing what data to collect is step one. Step two is in collecting that data. Knowing what tools and technologies to use to go into your app to collect this data from your user base so you can utilize it to improve your product. Step three is then visualizing that data. So you need to use tools like Mixpanel to create charts to visualize the trending performance of certain data metrics. Step four is then interpreting that data. It's about understanding what story is that data telling you. Don't tell a story to the data, let the data tell you the story. Are you seeing an uptick in trend? Are you seeing a particular time in the day that's got higher usage? Are you seeing a typical type of user segment or archetype of user using your product more than others? Then you need to double down there and remove away efforts from a segment that is not using it. And step five, ultimately is the most difficult step, is knowing once you've interpreted from the data visualization and seeing trends and whatever it may be, and you've interpreted your analysis from the data, it's then knowing what changes to actually make in your app that will drive progress in user engagement in the product. So for example, if your onboarding flow is dropping off when you've asked them to upload a photo, then do you suddenly remove that screen, if it's causing a big leak in your funnel on onboarding? Well, it really depends on the kind of product you have. If you have a dating app, for example, then you absolutely do not remove that, even if you've removed, you're getting a leak there, because then your product goes into a low trust category and you will lose the essence of your product. So you cannot just directly infer the actions to take based on the data. You need to put it in the context of the product you have. So for example, in that dating app example, well, you wouldn't just remove the photo. Maybe you need to make that screen, that step on onboarding a little bit more seamless. So it's easier for customers to upload a photo, or perhaps provide contextual explanation, explaining why the photo is important, why this will improve their experience on the product, and why this is better for the community as well. These are the 5 steps in data analysis to make sure you build a super high user engagement